Hello everyone and welcome to 3D Print to Build along part 48. In this episode we have the front plastic base, just goes on the base, makes it look shiny for no apparent reason, because another piece of plastic is probably going to snap. The first thing you have to do, get a pair of cutters. If you got the toolkit, you would have them in the toolkit, or you might have some at home. You can use a knife, but it's a bit unsafer, so we recommend use cutters. What we have is this is the moulding spurs, because that's where they ingest the plastic. Basically this is all put in the mould, and then it's injected into here, which then creates the final product. So first thing you need to do is get your cutters. You need to cut this off because this is going to get in the way when you put the other pieces on. So you want to get yourself in a good position. And then just cut it off. Can be a little bit difficult getting into a good position. That's it, just like that. The most difficult ones are these ones because they're quite fat towards the end, so it makes it quite difficult to get to. If you snap the first ones, you can easily get into it. Like so. Test that out. Now, in this, you'd also have a pack of screws, which are just here. You've got about 6 screws in there. Right, now if we just pan down to the 3D printer, whilst I get these screws out of the packet. This is the front piece, so you should have see the grills here. So R1 goes on this side, being the front. It's also where the heat mat is, and this literally will just sit around it when you've got the right way up. Like that. Now comes with a trick where you might need an extra pair of hands, because you have to put the screws in from the bottom, which makes it quite difficult if you work on your own. So just get the screwdriver out, and then tilt this over. Put that back on there. Nope. Form this aligned. That's it. And then you have a load of holes in the bottom, and you want to make sure you use the smaller holes for this. So the hardest thing here is going to be lining up one of the holes, because it's plastic, so it does have a bit of expandability and shrinkability, and it makes it quite difficult to find the hole, especially when you can't see what you're doing very well. Also, the feet are in the way, so that makes it even funner. So I'm just going to unscrew the foot here to give me more access to the actual bottom, like that. Not David's bottom. Right, so now we've got the first screw, and we're not doing them all the way up yet, we're just putting them in loose enough so that they're holding, but not too tight, we don't have any space to move. That's it. And if we reach to the bottom screws, which again there's one hiding on this foot, so we'll just undo it. And then put this one in. So we've only got 2 screws left. However, since they've actually given you an extra screw, let's double check. Yeah, definitely an extra screw. So then, screw the feet back in. If you don't mean you dropped one of the feet, just get that back, thank you. Screw that one in place. And then when we stand it back up, it has this new shiny plastic one, which has no real advantage, but that's the end of this part. Join us in the next part when David will be putting on the power switch, which I'm guessing goes into this hole, so he'll have a load of fun with that. Anyway, we'll see you next time.